Have you ever wondered why pansies are considered some of the most amazing flowers out there? Pansies are truly one of the most versatile and beautiful flowers you can have in your garden or containers. Their vibrant colours and delicate petals make them a popular choice for many gardeners. Whether you're looking to add a pop of colour to your patio or create a stunning display in your backyard, pansies are an excellent option. Hello and welcome to our magical garden. My name is Mark. So today I want to talk about pansies. Pansies are one of the first things that we put out in our garden in Illinois because they're really hardy and can stand the first frosts. One common misconception about pansies is that they're not hardy flowers. While it's true that they can be sensitive to extreme temperatures, many varieties are surprisingly resilient. Some people also believe that pansies are only seasonal flowers, but with proper care they can bloom for months. In fact, pansies can thrive in cooler temperatures, making them perfect for early spring or fall gardens. Another misconception is that pansies require a lot of maintenance, but they're actually relatively low maintenance flowers. The flowers from pansy varieties come in one of three colour patterns. There are pansies with single colours without patterns, which are often yellow or blue. Another basic pattern has black lines radiating from the centre. The last type is the most well known and complex. Dark splotches from the centre create a face-like appearance, and these varieties are often tricoloured. There are many types of pansies to choose from, each with its own unique characteristics. From the delicate pastel-coloured petals of the Swiss giant to the bold, vibrant colours of the jumping jack, there's a pansy variety for every garden style. When it comes to care, pansies prefer well-drained soil and partial shade, but they're adaptable to different environments. They can thrive in containers, hanging baskets, or directly in the ground. With proper watering and fertilisation, pansies can bloom profusely. Pansies are edible. You can eat the flowers and the leaves, and they apparently have a mild minty taste and are a good source of vitamin A and vitamin C. Their leaves and flowers can be used as garnishes in cakes, fruit salads, green salads, desserts and soups. If your birthday is in February, then the pansy is your birth flower. Most gardeners treat pansies as an annual, but they're actually hardy in zones 3 through 8. They tend to get leggy in the heat of summer, and there hasn't been much success in producing heat-tolerant pansies that can adequately survive hot weather. The pansy was popular in the 19th century and was commonly used in love potions. It's one of the oldest cultivated flowers in history. The name of the pansy comes from the French word for thought, penser. So since ancient times, this flower was a symbol of remembrance. Pansies are amazing flowers that offer a lot of benefits for gardeners. They're versatile, beautiful, and relatively low maintenance. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, pansies are definitely worth considering. If you're a pansy fan like me, I'd love to hear about your favourite type of pansy in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on other amazing flowers that you can add to your garden. And if you've enjoyed this video, why not subscribe for more gardening content?